this is Christopher. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help. Hi everyone, this is Christopher. I filmed the Grand Junction temple on a Sunday morning during the open house period. It was a gorgeous day. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. You'll get notifications when I release new content. Next, some of you have asked how you can support me. Well, that's easy. You can contribute on Patreon, and I'll put a link in the description. Next, I'd like everyone to be able to enjoy the spirit and beauty of temples, and you can make that happen by sharing this video with your family and friends. Finally, information about the Grand Junction temple is in the description.